Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice, and today I'm going to do some sort of activity which is related to cricket. Basically, I watch some sort of India versus England test match, and over that I just want to describe it because I feel like it is very proud moment for Indian players because they have won today's test match, and that is by winning that test match they are able to draw this series, which is a crucial because they have basically fighting like warriors in throughout these series, but still they are not able to get to the draw. I think basically the way they played, I think they do have some sort of lead comparison to England because if you talk about the best batsman who have scored run, that is captain of Indian, right? And the best bowler who have basically take lots of wicket, he's Indian player. So that is how the things works. And but from the England perspective, they didn't have some sort of bowler like that, but still they are having a lead of 2-1. And but after winning the match, basically this series got draw, and today basically India needs to basically get 3 wickets, but despite of that they are basically only 35 runs to defend. But yeah, there is an experienced bowler as well, some inexperienced as well, but if somebody is playing T20, so they do have some sort of experience like how to defend some sort of small total. And if you are doing test, you do have some sort of advantage as well because there is ball is doing some sort of activities. So this is very suitable, I think, probably situation for the bowler. But yeah, if the ball is not moving, so it will be very difficult for them to basically defend. Yeah, so there is one bowler which is get out what we say extraordinary things for India, which is Mohammad Siraj, who have taken basically 2 wickets. I don't know, probably 2 wickets in the last session. And that is how the India win. Otherwise, it is very difficult to win if there is some sort of batter, because actually the Overton, who is a player of India, he just scored 2 boundaries, and after that, basically it is nail biting for the India because nobody can think of basically winning this test match. I think. Everyone is thinking that we have a win, basically we have fight, but we cannot able to win it. But they do have one player which is Siraj, who do have a belief in himself that I can do it, and he basically took the wicket in a first ball in his basically 10th or 12th over. So this is a very great basically match in throughout lots of tests after watch I have watched. So I feel like I spent my time in a great way, and nowadays I am just listening commentary as well. So that is how basically I am speaking in this basically video as well. It's feel very amazing whenever I watch and I listen, because that helps us to basically build a lot of vocabularies, because they are using complex word which is very easy for to get understand in a cricket vocabulary, right? So today that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you will also learn this way as well. You can try and just try to imitate commentators, because that is how you can basically be a commentator as well, or you can basically start improving yourself to basically imitate them, because that is very helpful if you want to speak English. So on this video, that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.